Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll guide you through how to use keyframes in CapCut on PC. So, if you find this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's talk about what keyframes are. Keyframes are tiny anchors that hold specific settings at different points in your video. You can adjust things like position, size, opacity, and even effects, creating smooth transitions and eye-catching visuals. To start using keyframes in CapCut, import your video by clicking on the Import button in the Media Library. Choose a video from your computer and click on the Open button. Once imported, drag the video to the timeline. When playing the video, you'll notice it plays on the canvas without any effects. If you want to zoom in during playback, you'll need to use keyframes. In the Properties panel on the right-hand side, you'll find tiny diamond icons next to each property. These are your anchor points. To add an anchor point or keyframe, click the diamond icon next to the scale parameter. This marks the starting point of your animation. Move the video playhead to the desired time slot for the zoom effect. Select the video and increase the scale. Another keyframe will be added to the timeline. When you play the video, you'll see it zoom in for the specified duration. Next, if you wish to also pan the video, you can do so by adding a keyframe at the desired position. To do this, add a keyframe next to the position properties. Move the playhead to the desired duration and change the position of the video. This will move the video towards the right while upscaling. Here you can see the preview. You can also use keyframes for animation in the video. For example, if you import a logo into the Media Library, you can animate it by adding keyframes to its position properties. Drag the logo to the video timeline. Add a keyframe next to the position properties in the Properties panel, move the playhead to the desired duration, and change the position of the logo to animate it. That's it! You've successfully learned about keyframing in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.